Hello, good morning, dear my students. One nation, one election. A special article KF will flood and reform. Simulate range election by reduce labor and time and expenditure in the conduct by this election and instance by the pause in governance are addressing by this if election by the conducted into go the intent by the strategy election and burning by this term of the all house to sign next with one of these necessarily call for the either extending by this term of the several and of the house or curtailing by term of the combination of both. That you noted 3 years in the some case for abolition by this curtailing or existence of the term. The revenge by articles of this constitution will have to suitable amended and then speaking in the Constitution Assembly on the purpose by article on the elections and the election commission in the Constitution of the India in this making them. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar maintained that the drafting committee had two alternatives before it on the constituent of election commission whether should be a permanent body or if could be temporary body to be set of this body elections and then would open combination of this progress people on the possibility of these part-time elections and commission will division by this assume and this election were expected by the one once the 5 years plan expected by the old by election fail caused by vaccination by the night to be also one of the will permanent of commission will not be worked the properly in this but committee equipped by possibility of the mid-term dissolution of legislative assemblies is recognized that he was necessary to be in a state readiness to conduct fresh elections. Primarily in this such situation for which the permanent commission was necessary. Permanent, necessary, and the partaking by this garbage professor Dr. Shamba and Lal Sena observe in the science since non-next fifth term of the house. And then as participated by the professor Dr. Kesha was connected in these elections and is first to decide related to the COVID-19 and then with the had been first general election of the free India caused by this about 6 months estranged by work 1951. He is similarly to this then Nagaland and Pondicherry going to the poll with the Lok Sabha and the fourth Lok Sabha constituted by the 1967 was dissolved permanently in this 1970 ahead of the normal term by the resulting in the May term by the Lok Sabha election. This was the burning of the emulating election of this extension of the term by the Lok Sabha, and during this situation, Assembly was not with success after a 77 Lok Sabha and election to be the Lok Sabha and the Legislative Assembly are filled by legislature of the term and the House. 15 and 16 Representatives of the People Act 1951 empowered to the Election Commission to notify election any timing during this last 6 months of the term by the House and earlier that led to not having 25 days for this date of the notification, and the stationery were required to human private before a poll can be taken. The children's schedule by announcement few before the election as dividends advised by notice to be established hold. Therefore, return be of house expanding while expanding the and then there is the time of the house expenditure will allow this 3 month, 4 month. Next, this topic is the very important and this team by the house and why simulations by the election and expenditure of issue area of saving, why simulatory caused by the election. This topic is important and related to civil services and this additional expenditure of the simultaneous election and model code of the conducted by important of the governance. Next, local bodies election. This topic is important. Why are you need this local body of this commission? That's all. Thank you.